Hey, it's Alex, back from Shopping Actions. In our previous videos, you learned how to set up item groups and troubleshoot item group duplicate issues. If you haven't seen that yet, click the info card in the upper right corner to watch those videos first. In this video, I'll show you how to identify and troubleshoot inconsistent item group attribute issues and missing item group attribute issues that may be blocking your assortment from being sold through Shopping Actions. So, what do these errors look like? Let's take my 3 Google shirts. I've added all the necessary variant attributes like size and color. So I should be good, right? Well, I know one of these shirts is polyester, so I also added material so shoppers will know, but I left the other 2 empty. Because this info is missing, Google cannot display the offers properly, and this will cause a missing item group attribute error. In Merchant Center, missing or inconsistent item group errors can show up as missing attribute value for grouped variants, or matching variant but differing value. Now, you know the drill. Let's take a look and fix some of my item group issues in Merchant Center. In Merchant Center, click on Products, and then Diagnostics. Change the destination filter so that it's set to Shopping Actions. Scrolling down, you can see that the errors missing attribute for grouped variants material and matching variant but differing value brand are present. For these errors, you can click on View Samples, or you can use the download option to get a report of all offers that have this error. Now, let's click on View Samples for the missing attribute error and take a look at the first offer. Clicking on the first offer will open the Merchant Center product page and contain all the information you submitted for this offer. Scrolling down, we can find the offer's item group ID. This offer has an item group ID of Google T-shirt missing. Now, let's head over to our feed in Google Sheets. After sorting and filtering by our item group ID, there are several offers in this group. For the missing attribute issue, you can see that we have Google shirts with color as the variant attribute. However, one of these shirts is using the attribute material and is set as polyester. To fix this, we'll add cotton as a material value for the other offers. Here's a tip. Each variant attribute used should have a value for all offers. Now that we've added our fix, let's go back to Merchant Center. Click Fetch Now to upload the changes. Changes may take a few hours to appear in Merchant Center for you to review. If you have an inconsistent item group issue, like different brands, then the same principle applies, but brand should be the same for all offers. And that's that. Now that I've shown you how to fix my item group issues, go into Merchant Center and see if you can troubleshoot your own item group issues. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below, visit our Help Center, or watch some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.